Mombasa Governor Ali Hassan Joho is facing yet another court battle, this time challenging his qualification on academic grounds.
A petitioner in Mombasa has filed a case claiming that at the time he was nominated, Joho was not a recognized degree holder as required by law. Ferdinand Omondi has the details.
1 week after Ugandan tabloids broke the story of an ongoing investigation into the authenticity of Mombasa Governor Hassan Joho's credentials from Kampala University, a petitioner is back in court seeking to nullify Joho's election on academic grounds. In a signed affidavit presented before Judge Mary Kasango in Mombasa, petitioner Silas Maki Otuke attached various documents, including one from the Ugandan Quarter Zone Security Committee complaining that Mr. Joho never studied in Kampala University, and another from the Deputy Resident City Commissioner in Kampala directing the Council of Higher Education to cancel Mr. Joho's certificate. Mr. Otuke also submitted that it was unlikely Mr. Joho was ever in Uganda in the period mentioned, on grounds that he would have known such a high-profile student as chairman of the Kenya Students' Council in Uganda. In 2011, Joho was MP for Kisauni and Assistant Minister for Transport. The petitioner thus concluded that Mr. Joho was never a student and that the documents in his possession are fake. He now wants the court to declare Joho unqualified to hold office of Governor of Mombasa and consequently that of his deputy.
Because by that time that he was nominated, he was not the holder of a degree recognized in Kenya, and therefore he did not qualify as required by Section 22.
A similar petition filed last year challenged Joho's nomination as an ODM candidate, but a court sitting in Nairobi upheld Joho's academic credentials before IEBC gave him the green light to run.
New evidence has come in, yes, and that is why we have now moved to the court. He has moved to the court after he received the information from Uganda.
But the petitioner is not just demanding Joho's disqualification. He also wants all appointments made by the respondent and his deputy be declared a nullity. If he gets his way, then all members of the county executive and other board members appointed by Joho will be rendered jobless. The High Court certified the application as urgent and has okayed the petitioner to serve the governor as well as the IEBC and Attorney General. This case is set to run concurrently with an ongoing election petition filed by Suleiman Shakbal, a fierce rival of Joho, who lost the gubernatorial race, which he has since described as fraudulent. It's been a turbulent few months for Hassan Joho as he seeks the proverbial light at the end of his tunnel of tribulations. First, he has had to deal with an election petition that is threatening to disrupt his term as governor. Second, apparent dissent from within his office as he tries to reorganize the county government. And now, a petition questioning his very academic credentials. The tunnel just keeps getting longer. Ferdinand Omondi, KTN, Mombasa.